be Krill. So the unit I'll be rocking today is from Unice. So this is what they sent, an edgy wrap, and this is the unit. It is the Balayage V-part unit. It is their curly unit. As you guys can see, it has wig combs and clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and swoop my hair around with this edge control. I decided to go ahead and cut off some of the excess cap that's in the parting, so that's not like sticking out. And I will not be using a wig cap because it doesn't work well with this type of unit. And as you guys can see, I just have my hair in some chunky twists, so I just unraveled a few in the front, and I'm literally just gonna clip, you know, the wig down to my head. I didn't do it too close together. I probably should have, but I still made it do what it do because I wanted my part not to be super perfect, because I was trying to like camouflage, you know, the tracks or whatever. So this is how the hair looks, you guys. As you guys can see, it's super full. The color is beautiful. They did a really good job coloring this unit. Super cute, so much body, so flowy. Yes, I am loving it. Super cute. That edge control played me, but it's okay. That's why it's a little shiny at the top, but it still looks really cute. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys the unit in the middle part, because I know a side part isn't everybody's thing, and I actually ended up liking it in a middle part, even though I prefer a side part. It was really cute. As you guys can see, this unit is so easy to install. It doesn't take any time. I applied a little bit of mousse to the top because I teased it, and this is what it looks like with the middle part. Love it. Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So make sure you guys turn on those post notifications if you haven't already, and make sure, of course, you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure you are also following you girl on Instagram at Mona X Banks. Follow me, and I also have TikTok too at Mona X Banks. So get into it. The unit that I am rocking today is from Unice. So this is the Unice Balayage V-part wig. It is a curly unit. I got mine in 24 inches, I believe. Yes, this is the longest length that they have to offer in this unit. It has these beautiful highlights. I think I said it right, balayage. Well, whatever, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But basically, it is like a bunch of these beautiful brown highlights. It's like the other hair is like 1B, and then this is like a honey blonde, and it's so pretty, and I love it. Like, it is so beautiful. The hair is super soft, you guys. This is a V-part unit, so you have the option of not leaving any hair out, but if you would like to, you definitely could leave some hair out and treat this like a U-part unit. I went ahead and installed it like a V-part because obviously this hair is not my hair texture, and I didn't want to manipulate my hair to get it to look like this. So basically what I did was I parted my hair. It has 2 combs here, and I slipped them in, and this is what it's given. I did kind of leave my part a little bit poofy, so it give it a more like realistic vibe. And then I just went ahead and laid down my edges. This unit was so quick and easy to apply. It didn't take me no time to go ahead and apply this unit, you guys. Like, literally, like, this is like grab and go, okay? So if you need a look really quick, like a bomb look really quick, this is gonna be the look for you. This is definitely giving me like Beyonce. Like, obviously she wears hers like a lot lighter and blonde, but this big fullness of it, it is definitely reminding me of Beyonce. But this is a really full unit, you guys. Like, look at how much hair is on this unit. Like, get into it. It is super full. They definitely did not skimp out on the hair. Like, yes, Unice, get into it. Yes, Unice, y'all did y'all thing. It is a little bit like, because of how I have it tilted. So you can wear it in the middle, you can wear it to the side, you can wear it however you would like. Y'all know I am more of a side part girl. That's what I prefer. But I did show you guys in a video how to wear it in a middle part. And when you tilt it to the side, it kind of like gives like this layered effect. So it's like shorter, then it gets longer. And I think that is really cute. I didn't cut this unit or anything, you guys. I co-washed it, let it air dry, and this is what it gave. I just sprayed some leave-in conditioner in it, and I did use a little bit of the Lotta Body Mousse, but that's pretty much it. I didn't do the most to this unit at all. I do really like this unit. It's so cute. The color is like bomb. Like, I feel like this color is like perfect for the season. Well, color is perfect for any season, but I don't know. I just feel like winter, you know, you get your little highlights popping, get to feeling yourself. So So with this unit, you don't have to use any glue or anything like that. So that's really nice. No glue, no got to be glue free spray. This is going to be for my ladies that need that quick grab and go. This is perfect for last minute. Take it on vacation because you can put it on and take it off. This will be really good for vacation. Like if you get your hair braided completely down and you want to wear, because I know like some ladies like to wear wigs on vacation. But if you get your hair completely wet, like, you know, braided down, and then you could like take this on and off at night. Like it'd be so easy. Like you could let it dry. Like if you went to the beach or whatever, or was in the pool, you could let it dry and then put it back on. Like this would be some really good vacation hair. Like really good vacation hair. So overall, I do really love this unit, but of course, y'all know how I got to do. I got to get into the cons. So the only con that I have about this unit is, I don't know if it's just the one that I received, but this particular clip is a little bit too far up. It needs to be pushed back a little bit. It's not like that on this side, so it might have just been a mistake or accident. So, yeah, I'm just letting y'all know, Unice, to go ahead and fix that. But yeah, this one, this clip right here is showing a little bit more than I would like it to. I wish it was a little bit pushed back more, and then that would be like perfect. But you won't have that problem if you're going to be wearing this as a U part, because you will just have your hair and your hair will like cover it. But if you are going to be using it like a V part and not have any hair left out, Unice, I definitely would recommend y'all pushing that clip back. I mean, I could do it myself. I could cut it off and, you know, re-sew it as well. But for those that may not know how to sew, that will be really, really good. The hair is soft. It's curly from root to tip. The ends look really nice. And it's giving body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Okay? It is definitely giving body. Body, body, body. Now, this particular hair, I probably wouldn't straighten, because I feel like when you get curly hair, I don't particularly, I'm not a fan of like straightening curly hair, because ultimately, I feel like you're gonna damage the curl pattern, but I wouldn't straighten this. Like not no V part. If you want a straight V part, then just buy a V part that is straight. That's what I would do. You know, I gotta go ahead and rate this unit, and I definitely will be giving this unit a B, only because of my clip situation. But that's okay. It definitely would have got an A if the clip was placed properly, but I'm gonna give it a B because the unit is bomb. It didn't give me any problems. It was so easy to install, and I'm ready to roll out. And you know, you could put a headband on with this unit and all types of stuff. Like you can get really creative with these units. So, and that is all I have for you guys today. So make sure you guys check out Unice. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.